Welcome to our channel Easy Learn, Funny Learn. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications.
Hi my dear kids, in this video we are going to see chapter 4 Acid, Bases and Salts from MTG workbook of class 7. So before entering into the chapter, let me tell one thing. Acid is a chemical substance that has sour taste. Bases is a chemical substance that has a bitter taste. And indicator is a substance that can determine whether the substance is acid or a base. Natural indicators are litmus, turmeric, china rose, red cabbage, etc. And synthetic indicators are phenolphthalein, methyl orange, etc. So the red litmus will turn into blue in basic solution and blue litmus will turn into red in acidic solution. Turmeric remains yellow in acidic solution and red or reddish brown in basic solution, and red cabbage juice remains reddish in acid and greenish yellow in basic solution. Phenolphthalein shows no color change in acidic solution and turns pink in basic solution. Methyl orange, it turns into red in acidic solution and turns into yellow in basic solution. Okay. First one. Read the given statement and select the correct option. Statement 1. Acids are substances which produce hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. It is the correct statement. Statement 2. Acids are bitter in taste. It is incorrect because bases are bitter in taste and acids are sour in taste. So statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is false. So option C is the correct answer. Okay, statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Option C. Second one. Rahav categorized the following household items into acids and bases. So in acid, lemon, antacid and tea. So lemon contains citric acid, antacid is a base. So he incorrectly placed antacid in acid section. Tea, it contains tannic acid. Okay. Bases, window cleaner, yes, it is a base. Vinegar, it is not a base, it is an acid. Okay. It contains acetic acid. Curd, it contains lactic acid, it is also an acid. So he incorrectly placed 2, 5 and 6. 2, 5 and 6. So option D is the correct answer. Okay. Option D. Third one. Rima prepared an indicator paper by dipping a paper stripe in a solution of X. She put a few drops of an unknown solution Y in which number of hydrogen ions is less than that of hydroxide ions on this paper. So the unknown solution is base. Okay, unknown solution is basic solution. So in basic solution, the number of hydrogen ion is less than that of hydroxide ions. She observed that the color of paper turned yellow. Solution of X and Y could be respectively. So we can conclude that Y is a basic solution as it contains lesser number of hydrogen ions than hydroxide ions. And also we know red litmus solution turns blue, phenolphthalein turns pink and methyl orange turns yellow and turmeric solution turns red in basic solution. Okay. So here she observed that the color of paper turned yellow. Okay. Color of paper turned yellow. So X is a methyl orange solution and then Y is a lime water. So option C is the correct answer. Okay, option C. Fourth one. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the given quotes. So baking soda, it is used in fire extinguishers. So P4. So either option B or C will be the correct answer. Nitrate is used in making fireworks. Q1. So option C is the correct answer. Blue vitriol, it is used as a fungicide. And then Fitcurry, it is used in purification of water. Fitcurry is a common name for potash alum. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. Fifth one. Radhika took warm water in a beaker and put few china rose petals in it. She kept the petals dipped for some time till the water became colored. Then she put few drops of this colored water into the solutions 1 to 4. So 1 amla juice, 2 lime water, 3 common salt solution, 4 baking soda solution. What changes would she observe in the color of China rose solution? Okay, so we know China rose is a natural indicator. So it turns into magenta colors with acidic solution and green with basic solution and remains pink in neutral solution. So here common salt solution is a neutral solution. So 3 remains pink. So either option A or D will be the correct answer. And then amla juice, it is an acid, so it turns into magenta. So either option A or D. And then lime water and baking soda solution, both are basic solution, so it turns into green. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. Option A. Next is 6th one. Read the given statement and select the correct option. Statement 1. To neutralize the effect of bee sting, that portion of the body is rubbed with moist baking soda. It is the correct statement. Statement 2. Baking soda contains sodium carbonate which neutralizes the effect of acid injected by bee sting. It is incorrect because baking soda contains sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, it's not sodium carbonate, it is sodium hydrogen carbonate. So statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is false. So option C is the correct answer. Okay, option C. Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. 7th one. Which of the following diagrams represents alkalis and bases in the correct form? So we know that water soluble bases are known as alkalis. So all alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis. So only one is in correct form. Option A is the correct answer. Okay, option A. 8th one. Which of the following statement is correct regarding dilution of concentrated sulfuric acid? 1. Large volume of acid should be added to a small volume of water slowly. Incorrect. 2. Water should be added to acid in small volumes. It is also incorrect. 3. The process involves release of a large amount of heat. Yes. 4. Water should not be stirred. It is also incorrect. So dilution of sulfuric acid involves release of a large amount of heat. Therefore, instead of adding water to concentrated acid, we should add acid to a large volume of water gently along the sides of glass rod while stirring the water slowly. Okay, so 3 only is the correct statement. Option D is the correct answer. 9th one. Rahu used excessive chemical fertilizer in his field, while the soil in Raman's field was found to be basic in nature. What should they add to their field to improve the quality of the soil? Okay, so excessive use of chemical fertilizer makes the soil acidic. So it is treated with bases like quicklime or slacked lime. So if the soil is basic, organic matter is added to it. Organic matter releases acids which neutralize the basic nature of the soil. Plants do not grow well when the soil is either too acidic or too basic. So Rahu should add quicklime and Raman should add organic matter to their field to improve the quality of the soil. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, option B. 10th one. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the given codes. So ammonium hydroxide. We use ammonium hydroxide in window cleaner. Okay, so P2. So either option A or C will be the correct. Tartaric acid is found in tamarind. So Q3. And then zinc carbonate, it is found in calamine. So R4. And then oxalic acid is found in spinach. So option A is the correct answer. Okay, option A. 11th one. Karthik performed the following experiment by taking few solution and phenolphthalein indicator. Identify P, Q and R in his experiment. Okay, we need to identify P, Q and R in his experiment. My dear students, please pause the video and please check the color of the solution. So we know phenolphthalein gives pink color in basic solution. So P is a base. Okay, P is a base. When an acid Q is added to this solution, it neutralizes the base and the solution becomes neutral. It turns into colorless solution. So P is a base and Q is a acid. So either option B or D will be the correct. So again adding R, it turns into pink solution. So we know when base are added to the neutral solution, phenolphthalein again turns into pink. So option B is the correct answer. P is base, Q is acid and R is base. Option B is the correct answer. 12th one. Which of the following processes represents a neutralization reaction? So option A, applying vinegar on wasp sting. So it is the neutralization reaction. B, brushing our teeth with toothpaste. It is also neutralization reaction. C, reaction of sodium hydroxide with hydrochloric acid to form sodium chloride. It is also neutralization reaction. So option D, all of this is the correct answer. Okay. So wasp sting contains bases which is neutralized by vinegar. Toothpaste is also alkaline in nature. It neutralizes the acid produced by fermentation of food particles by bacteria present in our mouth. Sodium hydroxide is a base. It neutralizes hydrochloric acid to form sodium chloride. So option D, all of this is the correct answer. 13th. The given figure shows the color changes in test tube 1, 2 and 3. When methyl orange indicator is added to them, identify the solution present in test tube 1, 2 and 3. So the color of the solution in test tube 1 is red. So we know methyl orange turns red in acidic solution and yellow in basic solution. So 1 is acid and 3 is base. So in the given option, lemon juice, okay, only option D seems correct. Lemon juice contains citric acid which is an acid and sugar solution is neutral solution and then lime water is a base. So option D is the correct answer. 14th. Study the given table carefully and select the incorrect observations. 1. Tamarind juice. We know tamarind juice contains tartaric acid. It is an acid. It turns blue litmus to red. So it is the correct observations. 2. Sugar syrup. So it never turns red litmus to blue. It is a neutral solution. Okay. 3rd one, lime water. It turns red litmus to blue. It is also correct observation. 4th one, soap solution. It is also base solution. It turns red litmus to blue. Okay. So it is the incorrect observations. So 2 and 4 only, 2 and 4 only. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, option B. 15th. Rahul took a turmeric paper and tried to draw flowers on it with the help of cotton buds dipped in solution P and Q. The flower drawn with the solution P was not visible, while one drawn with solution Q turns red. So we know turmeric indicator remains yellow in acidic and neutral solution and it turns red in basic solution. Okay. So here, yeah, P is vinegar and then Q is soap solution. Yes, because vinegar is acid and soap solution is base. See, common salt solution and baking soda. It is also correct because common salt solution is neutral solution and baking soda is base. So turmeric indicator remains yellow in vinegar and common salt solution and turns into red in basic solution, that is soap solution and baking soda. So option D, both B and C is the correct answer. Okay. Next, achiever section. 16th. Which of the following statement are correct? 1. The tangy taste of cola drinks is due to carbonic acid, which is an organic acid. It is incorrect, okay? Because the tangy state of cola drink is due to carbonic acid, yes, which is an inorganic acid, okay? It is not an organic acid, it is inorganic acid. Second one, inorganic acid are prepared artificially in the industries and are extremely corrosive. It is the correct statement. Third one, hydrofluoric acid reacts with metals varying degrees. Therefore, it is stored in glass bottles. It is also incorrect. Hydrofluoric acid reacts with glass, so it is always stored in plastic bottles, okay? Fourth one, organic acids are weak acids that occur naturally in plants and animals. So, it is the correct statement. So, 2 and 4 only, 2 and 4 only is the correct statement. So, option C is the correct one. Okay, option C. 17th, study the given Venn diagram carefully. So, 1 is acid, 3 is neutral and 2 is bases. Identify 1, 2 and 3. So, 1 is acid, 2 base and 3 neutral. So, option A, do not react with metals. It is incorrect. B, or sour in taste. Yes. Bases react with carbonate. It is incorrect. Okay. Acid react with carbonates. C, have number of hydroxide ions greater than the number of hydrogen ions. It is also incorrect. Acid has more number of hydrogen ions than hydroxide ions. D, react with carbonates to form carbon dioxide gas. Yes. Turn China rose indicator green. Yes. Can be identified by using indicators. Yes. So, option D is the correct answer. Okay. Option D. Ishan tested the nature of a few common substances with different indicators and recorded his observations as follows. Substance P turned methyl orange yellow. So, we know in basic solution, methyl orange turns into yellow. So, P is a basic solution. So, in the given option, lemon juice, it is an acidic solution. Sugar solution, it is an neutral solution. And then lime water, okay, lime water is a basic solution. So, option C is the correct answer. Next, substance Q turned phenolphthalein colorless. So, phenolphthalein turned colorless in acidic solution. So, Q is apple juice and substance R did not have any effect on blue or red litmus paper. So, substance R is neutral solution, that is sugar solution. And substance S turned China rose indicator green. So, we know in basic solution, China rose indicator turns green. So, S is baking soda. So, option C is the correct answer. Okay, option C. Next, 19th. Study the given experimental setup carefully and select the incorrect statement. So, we need to select the incorrect statement. So, test tube 1, it contains 10 ml of sodium hydroxide and 5 ml of spinach juice. So, it is a base, okay, base. And then 2, 10 ml of nitric acid and 5 ml of window cleaner. So, it is an acid, okay. Next, 15 ml of potassium hydroxide and 10 ml of vinegar. It is also base. And then 1 teaspoon curd and 10 ml of turmeric juice. So, 1 and 3 represent base, basic solution, and 2 and 4 represent acidic solution. Okay, 2 and 4 represents acidic solution. So, we need to select the incorrect statement. So, option A, turmeric solution turns red in test tube 1 and 3. So, we know test tube 1 and 3 contain basic solution. So, it turns the turmeric solution into red. So, option A is correct statement. B, China rose indicator turns green in test tube 2 and 4. So, 2 and 4 contain acidic solution. So, China rose indicator turns magenta in acidic solution and green in basic solution. Okay. So, option B is incorrect. Okay. So, option B is the correct answer. Okay. Option B. 20. Consider the following statement 1 to 4 and fill in the blanks by selecting an appropriate option. So 1. An antacid such as dash is used to cure indigestion. So an antacid such as base, okay, milk of magnesia. So P is milk of magnesia. So obviously option A is the correct answer, okay, option A. Next, second one, lime water contains dash which turns milky with carbon dioxide. So lime water contains calcium hydroxide. Next, third one, soap solution is basic due to presence of dash. So soap solution is basic due to presence of sodium hydroxide. Next, fourth one, baking soda is S which reacts with vinegar to evolve carbon dioxide gas. So baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate, okay. So P is milk of magnesia, Q calcium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide, yes, sodium hydrogen carbonate, okay. So option A is the correct answer, okay. Thank you my dear kids for watching this video. In our next video we are going to see the next chapter, physical and chemical changes. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Please check the playlist for more videos. Thank you. All the best.